Hello everyone, today we have a 2018 Buick LaCrosse Premium all-wheel drive V6. That thing is running smooth, so I'm going to go ahead and take you for a tour. And those those LED headlight surrounds, they don't flicker to the human eye. That's just a refresh rate of my camera. This vehicle does have alloy wheels and a metallic flake to the paint. There's your trunk space, and then dual exhaust. You have a spare tire in the trunk. This is the Premium, so you do have the alloy wheels and leather interior. Some nice upgrades. Additional power supplies there in the back. Go ahead and give you a shot of the VIN. There you go. 2 driver presets. Got your paddle shifters. Come down here and you'll see that it has 42,452 miles on this vehicle. Cruise control, your push to talk, your trip computers. Come over here. I'm going to turn this down just a little bit so that I'm sure you can hear me okay. You see that it does have cooled and heated seats. Here are your climate controls. You also have the same climate controls down here, but you can go to the climate control screen. Okay, so it does have the capability of OnStar and navigation. You can also connect your phone and navigate through an Android Auto or Apple product. Let's see, here are your settings. And then you see that there are a number of different apps through your phone. Okay, so for radio, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM.
Need more reasons? How about this?
And Bluetooth. I was turning the wrong knob. User error. Okay, and then you come down here, and here's your shifter and your cup holders, which I like how that stows. And then additional stowage is there. You've got your key fob right here. And then you have additional power supplies, auxiliary port down in there, glove compartment. As you come up above, there's your map reading lights. All right. Okay, that about wraps up for the interior. This particular vehicle does have a branded title. There's an impact that had affected the front, and then this rear quarter panel right here. Airbags deployed, but there's no structural damage, so we got it all fixed up. It has passed the 150-point inspection and the state of Utah safety inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.